Hey everyone, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Hoping you're all doing well. Continuing with our Valentine's Day theme, today I am going to show you how I made this delicious creamy seafood linguine, which is just great for a main course. So stay with me and let's get started. For the creamy seafood pasta recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I will start with my sauces. So I have some chopped tomatoes and I'm using tinned chopped tomatoes. I also have Dolmino stir-in pasta sauce. I'm using roasted garlic and sun-dried tomato. I have minced garlic. I have some shallots, finely chopped parsley, chilies. Feel free to omit chilies if you don't like spicy food. I have my double cream, linguine. Of course, you can use any pasta of your choice. For my seafood, I will be using some cooked clams, some cooked prawns, and some cooked mixed seafood. And I purchased this from my local supermarket. I also have some olive oil. I have some ground cumin, black pepper, white pepper, smoked paprika, ground coriander, and finally jumbo crayfish flavoring stock. As always, all the ingredients will be in the description box below. I'm going to begin by cooking my linguine. So I've added enough water to a pot, and next I'm just going to season the water with a little bit of salt and allow the water to come to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add my linguine and allow the linguine to cook as per the cooking instructions on the packaging. As the linguine is cooking, time to add olive oil to my wok and allow the olive oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm just going to add my finely diced shallot. I will also add my minced garlic and allow this to saute on low to medium heat until it is nice and fragrant. Next, I'm going to add my chilies and I'll saute for 1 minute. Also guys, if you do not like spicy food, please feel free to omit chilies from this recipe. Next, I'm going to add my chopped tinned tomatoes and I'll allow this to simmer for 5 minutes. As I've been simmering the tomatoes for 5 minutes, I'm now going to go ahead and add in my Dolmino pasta sauce, and I'm using a roasted garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes. Guys, this pasta sauce tastes amazing. It just elevates any pasta dish that I make to a whole new level. If you've never tried it, please be sure to try it. You can find it in your local supermarket and you are definitely going to enjoy it. I'm now going to add all my seasonings, and of course, feel free to season your sauce using your preferred seasonings of choice. Once I've added all my seasonings, I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together and allow the sauce to continue to simmer on low to medium heat for 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my mixed seafood, which is already cooked. I will also add my cooked prawns, and then finally I will add the cooked clams. As I mentioned, feel free to use any type of seafood of your choice. And also guys, because I am using already cooked seafood, I'm not going to allow the sauce to simmer for too long. So I'm just going to mix everything together, and then I will go ahead and add my fresh parsley and mix everything together. If you don't have fresh parsley, you can certainly use dry parsley and it will work just great. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my double cream and mix everything together. And guys, at this point, my sauce is smelling incredible. It is smelling so good. As I'm even looking at it, my mouth is literally just watering and I cannot wait to enjoy this. The linguine is ready, so all I have to do now is literally remove the linguine from the pot and just add it directly to my sauce. And I'm not straining because I do want some of the pasta water in the sauce, just so that the pasta is not dry. And once I've added all the cooked linguine to the sauce, I'm going to go ahead and literally just mix everything together well. And guys, the creamy seafood linguine pasta is ready. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. It smells incredible, and I cannot wait to tuck in. Serve this as a main during this Valentine's Day, and I'm telling you, your loved one or your family is just going to want more. As always, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to like and also share this video. Enjoy this delicious meal, and I will see you next time. Bye.